If you are earning 7% interest compounded daily and your goal is to have $3,000 in your account after 6 years, how much will you have to initially deposit? All right, so here we have A of t equals P times 1 plus R over N raised to the nt power. In this case, that will be A of 6 equals P, since we're trying to find the initial deposit, times 1 plus 0.07 divided by, so we're compounding daily, so 365.25 raised to the power of 365.25 times 6. So this value here is 2,191.5. And then we're just going to set that whole thing equal to 3,000, since that's what we want our balance to end up at. So in this case, we're going to use our calculator. First, take 0.07 divided by 365.25. Then take whatever that is and add 1. Then raise it to the power of 2,191.5. Then there's a button on your calculator that's 1 over x button. Hit that, and that will show you the reciprocal of that value. Then you're just going to multiply that by 3,000, and that ends up being 1,971.22. This is a nice way of not having to round any of the numbers too early. You don't want to round any numbers before the very end, because when you're dealing with problems like this with very small values making a huge difference in the end, so you can't round prematurely. So this is a good strategy to not have to round off any numbers. The answer is A.